Welcome, in front of me is a Huawei Y6P, and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on this device. So to get started, hold power key and select power off. Now once the device shuts off, you then want to hold power key and volume up, both of them at the same time. So let's do it right now. Volume up, power key. And keep holding both of them till you see Huawei, at which point you want to let go of the power key. And then keep holding volume up till the Huawei disappears. Okay, so right now you can let go. And now that we're in recovery mode, you want to select clear data, and from here you should see wipe cache partition. Select that. It does its job fairly quickly, and once it's finished, tap on back and restart. And let's wait for the device to reboot. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.